What are you doing, buddy? What are you putting on?
Lotion.
Lotion. Can you look at mommy? Oh, your skin looks so soft. You want some on your thumb? Let's see your face. Look at mommy. Show mommy. No, look at me. Oh, beautiful, Miles. I think that's enough. Nope, I think that's enough. Can you spread it on your hands? Okay, that's enough. Rub it on your legs too, please. Okay, okay. We're done. We're done. That's good. Great.
Getting better.
Oh, good.
House. There.
Is it better? Was your skin kind of sore?
Yeah.
Kind of dry? Good. Hey, Miles, what did you see today outside? What animal? What was it?
Chipmunk.
A chipmunk. And what did you do?
Yeah, him.
You scared him? What did you give him?
Nuts.
You gave him nuts, huh?
I scared him.
And you scared him? Because you went out there so loud? What else did you do out there in your garden?
Plant.
You planted? What did you plant?
Plant. Grow it.
Yes, they're gonna grow. But did you water them?
Yeah.
Yep. Was it a nice day today?
More nice day.
Yes. Tomorrow's supposed to be hot. Maybe we can have some fun outside with some water.
No water. I got water.
Hey, what did you buy tonight with Daddy? A what?
Llama.
What color is it? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you say, see you later, alligator? All right, I love you.